Hey guys, Reggie here in Austin. Look at this, Lake Travis. I mean, this place is crazy good looking. I'm here with Shawn Williams and Brian with Claims Pro Restoration, a brand new contractor with Genesis. And I just wanted to take a minute to meet you guys and to really find out. Here's the big question. What is it about Genesis that made you go like, that would be a great partner of ours? Anything in particular?
Sure. So when we first saw you, we wondered actually if it was too good to be true.
Yeah.
I mean, really. When you think about it, the discounts that you offer on the materials, for one.
Yeah.
But then being able to take away that headache of those depreciation checks, and that we can get our cash within 48 hours and move on to the next job.
Yeah.
I mean, we've got a lot of work to do, and especially come storm time, the last thing we want to do is be chasing checks for 4 months.
And you said sitting in there, we've been talking for about an hour, you said turning the money was the key.
Absolutely.
Explain what that means a little bit.
So everything about cash flow is about the rate of turn.
Yeah.
How fast can I get my money out and get it back with a profit?
Yeah, there
out
you go.
and back with a profit.
Yeah.
If I can do that 10 times when the average contractor is doing it once or maybe twice, then I'm ahead of him by miles at the end of the race.
Right.
So turning that money is well worth any little percentage I pay up front. And most of it's offset by the material cost.
Yeah.
So,
and the other thing it does that we talked about earlier is it's freeing your guys up. You're not chasing checks anymore. You're not calling and having to mess with mortgage companies and get endorsements and all. Listen to me. And that value for your time to go out now and sell instead of collecting has to be uplift for y'all.
yeah, I'm a contractor.
Yeah.
I don't want to have to worry about fighting with mortgage companies because they didn't get the right paperwork the third time I sent it.
Yeah.
Let's go out and put roofs on, get the customer happy, and move on.
Yeah.
And so I love Genesis for that fact alone.
Yeah. Guys, listen, he's preaching, and you got to pay attention to the facts that are fundamentals of your business. The first thing is you got to maintain cash to grow and to go to the next level. And the second thing is, why don't you just do what you do best, and that's sell roofs and build roofs, and let Genesis, like we're doing with Claims Pro Restoration, Shawn and Brian, we can do it for you too.